Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial. Here we're going to be showing you how it is you add a prefix to a student register class, so that if you've got register classes which are vertical year groups and you need to tell our system that they are year specific so you can make a year specific parents evening, this tutorial will show you how to add the year group number in front of all those classes. So coming here, what we've done is we've exported this data from Sims or from one of the other database providers, one of the other MIS providers. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at this column here, column E. This is the name of the form class that these students are in, and I want to add an 11 in front of all of these because I've specifically exported just year 11 students, but I need to put an 11 in front of all of this so that in our system you can tell the parents evening it's just for year 11 students. This is because if we create another event and have the same class names, parents from this data might be able to get into other parents' evenings. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a class before here, like we're going to add a column here first, and in it we're going to type in 11. I'm just going to change this, format cells to general, because at the moment it thinks it's a date, like the student one before. So now it's an 11. I'm going to click in the bottom right hand corner here and I'm going to drag all the way down my data spreadsheet. That's my last student there. Let's put 11s in all those boxes, okay? That's fine. Now over here we're going to add two more columns. 1, 2. Okay, now in this column we need to put in a formula, and the formula is equals, and then we click on the cell that has the 11 in it, and then we're going to add an ampersand and sign, there we are, and we're going to click on the name of the reg class. Okay, now when we press enter, that adds those two things together, there we are, and we're going to drag this down. Okay, that copies that code all the way down there. Okay, now what we need to do now is we need to do a copy. So we're copying all the data in these cells, and the thing is that this is still a formula, so if we were to delete these cells, this would delete as well. And what we want to do is paste the value of this in this cell so that it's pasting the data that's in here, not the formula. So we're going to again click here, and we're going to right click, and in Excel there's different ways of pasting. So there's a normal paste, and there's paste values, and that's what we want paste values, okay? So we click on this one here, and that pastes the values, and you can see the difference because up here this cell has 11 Darwin, whereas here it's still a formula. So this is what we want. Now we're going to call this cell what it should be, Student Reg. So we're going to copy that and paste it there, and we're going to delete these three cells because we don't need them anymore. That's it. Now there's one more thing to do. You may have noticed that I have filters applied to all these columns, but if you haven't got filters applied, just highlight E, go to sort and filter, and press filter. That will give you this filter here. We click that, and all your classes will be listed here. And what we want to do is we want to deselect everything and select just the year number. That's my years now. I'm going to go down here, highlight them all, and press delete. And that gets rid of all those. Now when we go back to filter and press select all, you'll see that our classes are absolutely correct, but they now have an 11 in front of all of them. And you can save your spreadsheet. And you can upload it when you're ready. Just remember when you're typing in your classes into the register class box on the parents' evening you're making to put an 11 or your prefix in front of all your classes. There's another video tutorial which shows you how to collect and grab all of these and copy and paste them in, so you can look for that on our website elsewhere.